Hey boo, so today I am sharing the absolute best skincare for menopausal skin. I can promise you, you are going to love these products. They are not only going to make your skin feel good, they're also going to make your skin look good. Especially with women like you. Navigating skincare during menopause can be terribly frustrating. It's like one day your favorite skincare products that have been working for you for the longest no longer work. And this is really common when the body is going through hormonal changes. It happened to me when I was a teenager and then again in my late 20s slash early 30s. And at that time, I end up spending so much money on all of these fancy products that didn't work, which led me to creating my all-natural, vegan, and organic Clear Skin Kit. The Clear Skin Kit is a 4-step system designed to take the guesswork out of what to use and when to use it. It's the only thing that worked for me, and I swear by it to this day. Products are powerful yet gentle enough to use daily. Pairing my formal education with my esthetician training, I know lots about the skin, and I want to share some of the products that I have been using on my menopausal skin that has been working wonders. Now, first and foremost, products for menopausal skin, they have to measure up. Like, they have to deliver a lot. We are battling the signs of aging, dryness, thinning skin, hair bumps, regular bumps, hyperpigmentation, as well as things like wrinkles and fine lines. And using super aggressive products during a time where the skin is finicky and it's thinning and the skin barrier isn't so strong definitely will experience increased sensitivity and irritation. That's why the products that I'm sharing with you today are all super gentle. All of these products are filled with ingredients that your skin craves during menopause. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, ceramides to protect and repair the skin barrier, retinol to smooth texture and produce collagen, peptides to firm and strengthen, and antioxidants which will help to brighten and protect against damage. So the routine that I have been relying on is going in with my clarifying cleanser and then immediately following that up with red light therapy. I then grab my botanical toner to restore the pH. Cleansers throw the pH of your skin off, so you always want to tone the skin to restore the pH. That way your products and everything can absorb properly. If you know me, you know after cleansing and toning, I'm gonna always go in with an essence. If it's problematic skin and I got a lot going on, I'm gonna go in with my SK2 facial essence. This is so healing and amazing to the skin. I love it. I have had 5 bottles of this. I'm grateful that SK2 sends me this because I love this so much. It is definitely worth the buy. Somebody left me a comment and was like, you know what, I used the SK2 essence in the gold bottle and I didn't see much of a difference until I start looking at old pictures of myself and compare it to new pictures of myself when I start using the SK2. And she was like, girl, I can definitely see a difference in my skin. So SK2 is one to definitely look out for if you are in the market for a facial essence. If everything is intact, I'm going to go in with the Tier. Now this one is new. They market this as a toner and essence. I use it as an essence. This is a milk essence, so it gently exfoliates the skin. So this is one that I use at night, and it's so beautiful. Like, it leaves the skin so juicy and bouncy and glowy and full looking. It just looks plump. If I'm gonna go in with makeup, I'm going to use the Chanel essence. This is the Hydra Beauty Micro Liquid Essence, and This right here, it's like a drink of water for the skin. It absorbs so beautifully. It feels amazing. And one thing about the Chanel products, because I just got this and they sent over like a sample of some serum and stuff like that. And first thing in the morning, I love getting up, just seeing what's going on with my skin. That's the first thing I do. I start picking in my face and seeing what's going on. So I used that little sample of serum and I put it on my skin. It felt amazing, but when I took it down to my neck, I said, oh my goodness, because as you know, the neck skin is different than the face skin, and the way it made my neck feel so hydrated and full and just like, well, the skin felt well. Have you ever put something on and you like, okay, what did it do? No, you can definitely feel, you know, the difference when you use that Chanel serum. And what was most impressive is that it like engulfed my skin. It was almost like that serum slugged my skin, because I promise you, when I did get into the shower to wash my face, I thought that the serum had absorbed and all of that and it was gone. When I tell you that water reactivated the serum, I felt it. It was very, like, the slip was there and it was still very much so sitting on the surface of the skin, which just made me feel like if I use that after, after the essence, that it would just lock everything in and seal everything in. It was so good. I'm telling you, Chanel's face products are so good. The makeup, the skincare, everything I use is definitely worth the price point. So after the essence, I then go in with a serum. This one by Medicube. This one is like whatever is going on. Like if you finna do makeup, if it's nighttime, if it's daytime, if your skin is dry, if like whatever you got going on, this is a good one to have. Like it's just overall good, super hydrating, amazing to improve any types of signs of aging and damage to the skin, performs perfectly under makeup, top tier. Nighttime serum is this guy here by Kiehl's. I really like this. It's sort of, I don't want to say thick, but it has some weight to it. Some serums are really lightweight, absorb really fast. This has a little bit of weight to it. It leaves you with a nice, beautiful sheen. It's gentle enough to use every day, and it actually does work. Like you will wake up the next day and that texture will be smooth out. After you do your serum, you always want to go in with your jade roller. This will help with product penetration. It's soothing, it's cooling, and it's an ancient beauty secret. If you have the time, jade roll your skin after a serum, and I promise you, you will see a difference. After the serum, you want to go in with your moisturizer. This one by Ro Honey Child. Listen, thin, hydrating, moisturizing, beautiful. Like I don't know how they made a formula so thin and so rich and luxe at the same time. Usually when you have those beautiful products that are super creamy and super rich and they're thick, this is thin, it's made with ceramides, and it's just so amazing. I use this in the daytime alone. At night I pair it with another moisturizer, and of course I then go in and massage. Massage has been clinically proven to promote collagen production, so definitely take the time to massage your face daily. Not only your face, but your neck too, boo. Get that neck. If it's a daytime, you want to go in with your SPF. I use this one right here by Dermatology. Can't lie, it does leave like that white cast, so you do have to put a little bit of makeup on when you wear this. Not a lot, just a little, but I really like it. It's the Universal Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 46. I've been using this for a while, and you know what? My skin is doing good. Like I can tell that it's doing what an SPF is supposed to do, because like any scarring that I have, any dark spots, they fade, which would not happen if you was going out into the sun with no SPF. Like if you want to get rid of dark spots, you have to wear SPF. And I like this one. It's lightweight. It doesn't burn my eyes. But like I said, you do have to put on a little bit of makeup with it because it will leave like that little white cast. Now, if it was nighttime after moisturizing, I will go in with my Rapid Dark Spot Corrector. This is step 4 in the Clear Skin Kit. This helps to fade dark spots. It protects the skin from free radicals, promotes skin elasticity, and increases firmness. And let's not forget the hands. We also gotta do the hands. I like to use this Inky List serum for my hands because it's really good and it's really cost effective. Like if you want a super good retinol that is extremely affordable, this right here is your top pick. And I use the Inky List with my 54 Thrones Cloud Barrier. I absolutely love this. This has made such a great difference in my hands, how it looks, how it feels. It has definitely repaired the skin barrier because I am always washing my hands. They are always dry, which means they always itchy, and then when I scratch them, it just tears the back of my hand up, which is a thinner skin anyway. And I was using everything on the back of my hands and nothing was getting that skin together because I'm constantly washing and sanitizing, and it just, nothing ever just made a difference until I started using this. So if you have any dry patches on your body, if you're looking for your hands to look younger, this right here is your superhero. I can guarantee you, and I feel amazing about using this on my hands, especially being a makeup person, because you know, if I touch my makeup up or touching my face, I'm not worried that this is like that my hand lotion has like all these perfumes and all of these crazy ingredients. This is amazing for anyone who likes to lean toward the natural side of things. It's made with shea butter and lavender, and I can promise you, you are going to love this. Lastly, the Kiehl's Super Multi Corrector Eye Cream. I really love how luxurious this is. It really makes the eyes look ironed out and smooth. When I do my makeup and everything, sometimes the eyeshadows can make all the crinkles and wrinkles emphasized, but not when I use this. I have been using this and I love this. This is absolutely phenomenal. I'm so glad that I invested in this because this is like the type of eye cream that I have been looking for a while. I've been trying different stuff and everything like had like vitamin C in it for dark circles, dark circles this, dark circles that. I wanted something that like makes the under eye bags look smoothed out. It's not worried about dark circles. It's plumping, it's line filling, it's hydrating. And I looked and looked and looked and I finally found this and I absolutely love it. Oh, an honorable mention to the Kiehl's high potency serum, niacinamide serum 5%. I have to use a niacinamide serum for my dark spots. Like anything with vitamin C, it makes my skin act so weird. Like whenever I use vitamin C as an ingredient, I have to use it in like a soap. If it's in a serum form, my skin is dunzos. So I love this one by Kiehl's. Shout out to Kiehl's, baby. I'm talking about they have made an appearance in this video a bunch of times because they are tea. I love it. And if you go to like the store and stuff, you'll see that it's really like a science-based skincare, and it all works and it's all gentle and it kind of leans toward natural. Like they really are so impressive. I am super impressed with everything that I have tried from Kiehl's, top to bottom, head to toe. Like I love it all. And as you can see, this niacinamide is, baby, well loved. Okay, it's well loved, hun. And the great thing is it's super affordable. Like some of this stuff can cost hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If great skincare costs 30 bucks, 60 bucks, to me, that is a steal. So I love this. If you are like me and your skin acts weird with vitamin C serums, try out the Kiehl's niacinamide. To wrap this video up, I'm going to give you a few tips to help to maximize your results so that you won't experience like a setback. The first tip, do not over exfoliate. Like when it comes to exfoliation, less is more, especially if you're doing a physical exfoliator. You can over exfoliate, rip the skin barrier up, and now you got problems you didn't even sign up for. So keep the exfoliation to 3 times a week, maybe even 4, depending on if you can tolerate it. But focus really on hydration and plumping the skin, and second to that, exfoliation. The next tip is to layer your hydration. Like I said, I love to cleanse, tone, essence. That's my first 3 steps, no matter what skincare I'm doing. If it's morning, night, makeup prep, cleanse, tone, essence. And then from there I go into my serum. And then if it's nighttime, I do a double moisturizer. First one is a gel moisturizer, and then the second one is a cream moisturizer. And when I tell you, the skin feels amazing, it looks amazing, it's so plumping, it feels firm, it looks full, and it's just a dream. Like you can feel the goodness on your skin and happening for your skin. The last tip is to be like me and never ever skip your skincare routine. Baby, I don't care what's going on, I'm gonna do my skincare routine. I don't care how tired I am, it's happening. Okay, even if it's a small one, even if it's just cleanse, tone, and moisturize, I'm gonna get that routine in though. Okay, some days are better than others. Some days we take longer with the massage and do the extra stuff and exfoliate and shave the face and just all of the things, you know, a skincare mask and all of the things. So that's not what I do every night, but I'm going to do a minimum of cleanse, tone, moisturize. Remember that consistency is key, and that is how you are going to see your results over time. Menopause is a new chapter in your skincare journey, and I personally find it exciting. I'm in discovery mode and it's thrilling. I'm like, okay, what can I find that actually works? I feel empowered. We live in a day and age of information and advanced technology, and speaking as a licensed esthetician, trust me, when you take the time and you actually put that effort into your skin, you will be rewarded with results. So if you found today's video helpful, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, and it's me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, giving you all of the tips, tricks, information, what's hot, what's not, what to use, what to do, what to avoid, because my job is to keep you looking good. So that's what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds